Welcome to the adventures and welcome to our dinner table. So I figured we've been talking about all of this food and how we eat and things like that, and it's all about how you guys can eat, and even if you don't have availability to farm fresh food, that you could make some of the same meals that we're doing by going to the grocery store or going to Walmart or wherever you like to source your food. So today I'm going to share with you an really easy under 10-minute prep meal and that you can make that is very healthy. So my sister was just telling me about this, so thanks sis. It is the Big Mac bowl. So before we even got on to the truck stop, when we were still on our way here, Scott went ahead and browned up the ground beef. And so this is 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to eat a half pound of meat because you guys know that we do like to eat carnivore style off and on. And so this is going to be a heavier protein bowl. We're just going to go ahead and add all of the toppings for the Big Mac. So first let's put some cheese on here. Cheese. Lettuce on here. All right, so chopped onion. Tomatoes. All right, now I forgot the pickles at home. Don't worry. The truck stop condiments came in to save the day. So here's our pickles. Go ahead and put some relish in there. So this meal took under 10 minutes to make, and it's not going to obviously take very long to eat, and it's very easy cleanup. So we will just put this in a Ziploc bag, and we will just use this for an omelet or a breakfast meal or another casserole that we would make later in the week. So we'll just pop that in the fridge, and the skillet is really easy to wash out, especially since we have warm water in our truck to do dishes. It helps clean up, go so much faster, so much easier. I really want to encourage you guys to make your truck into a home so you can cook, you know, decent meals. It doesn't even have to be super high quality, but just decent meals that are going to save a ton of money. So this alone, you know, is probably under $5 for each of us to eat. Like, yes, you had to source tomatoes, you had to source cheese and lettuce, but those are all things that are going to be used for other meals. So it's about making sure you set up a good menu plan so that way you can make more meals and use all of the stuff for different ingredients and just different meals. So we'll probably end up maybe having like a pulled chicken nacho or something like that, a rice bowl, bean bowl, different things like that, and we would use the lettuce, tomatoes, onions, or put it in an omelet. So make sure you make your meal plan before you get on the road and you have a loose idea of how you can use a different ingredient, so that way when you're on the road, then you can cook every meal from scratch in your truck, saving a ton of money and honestly a ton of time, and it's way better for your health. So before you go, guys, don't forget, sometimes you might need to plan ahead. These little jars make it really easy, but you can also pick this up at some of the truck stops where they sell it with the salads. You can get it, but you can't forget a Big Mac. This is as close as it's gonna get, making it easy, right, on the truck. You can't forget the special sauce. That's right. You guys, make sure you stay safe, enjoy the adventures, most importantly, eat well. Bye.
To beef special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. Woo!